Are you curious about the differences between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? You are not alone. Many traders wonder which platform is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular trading tools. Both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 help traders analyze markets and execute trades. They are widely used in forex and other financial markets. Let's start with MetaTrader 4. It's been around for a long time and is very popular among forex traders. MT4 offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners. It has great charting tools and supports automated trading through expert advisors. Many traders love its simplicity and reliability. Now, let's look at MetaTrader 5. This platform is newer and offers more features. MT5 supports more asset classes, including stocks and commodities. It has advanced analytical tools and a built in economic calendar. This makes it a good choice for traders who want more data at their fingertips. So, what are the key differences between them? MT4 is focused mainly on forex trading, while MT5 covers a wider range of assets. MT5 also has more technical indicators and time frames. However, MT4 is still favored for its ease of use and strong community support. When it comes to pricing, both platforms are usually free to download. However, some brokers may charge fees for certain features or services. It's important to check with your broker for any costs. In the end, if you are a beginner or mainly trade forex, MetaTrader 4 might be the better choice for you. If you're looking for more features and trade various assets, then MetaTrader 5 could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.